This bathroom was built and hadn't been touched since probably 1994. And the cabinets came to like here, so our countertop was very low. We had a very small standing shower. One of those big jacuzzi tubs was over here, which was fine, but it needed to be updated. And our lower backs could not handle bending over anymore at the sink to brush our teeth. So we started this process back in January of getting several different quotes from a couple of different companies, and NV Kitchen and Bath, we found them through Angie's List. We had a couple of people also in the neighborhood that had used them and said they were really great. So we kind of did our research. We brought them in for a quote, and the designer who came in, her name is Moogie, we just clicked with her. We felt very comfortable with her. She understood exactly what we were looking for. She got our vision, she understood our budget constraints as well, and so she was able to make what we wanted fit within our budget, which is fantastic. When we talked to some of the other companies, you know, their starting point was way higher than what our budget was. So it was very refreshing to have someone come in and say they could do this. Now, we did this all during the pandemic, which made it very interesting of a process to begin and figure out how to do this. But Moogie came here to the house. She wore a mask, very safe. You know, we stayed socially distanced from her during everything, but she came in, she took her measurements and helped us figure out exactly what we were able to do with this bathroom. Our main goal was to make a larger shower because, you know, at one point I was pregnant in that small shower and it was really tight. So it was nice to now have a little more space. So that was our number one thing. Also, I really wanted a nice bathtub. We wanted some extra storage. So we really needed to figure out how to do that because this house has one very small linen closet. So knowing that, she went away, she kind of came up with the design, showed it to us, and we loved it. It fit all within our budget. We went to the showroom and started picking out things and getting started with the process. We went in February of 2021 to figure this out. You know, we signed with her beginning of March and she ordered everything within a month, beginning of April. They were here demoing our bathroom. It was a very quick process, easy process. Will came in as our project manager and came in with Moogie the first day before they did the demo, walked us through everything that was gonna happen, then stayed in touch with us all the way through, which was very helpful to let us know what was going on. We were able to touch base and say, you know, oh, we've got a concern here or that kind of thing as we went along, because we did make a couple of tiny tweaks. The design is great, but once you get in with the contractors actually building it and doing the adjustments, we had to make a few little tweaks, but they were easy and he made us very comfortable in understanding what those are and what our options were. We are extremely happy with what we have now. My favorite part is this lovely bathtub and my chandelier. This is kind of my little place that I like to relax and unwind after a hard day. My husband's favorite is the zero entry shower. That was his big thing, just to be able to walk right in. It's perfect. We got two little kids. They like to just jump in here and take their shower together. We have the second head on the wall that does the adjustment, which is perfect because one, I can take it off and wash them if I want to, or they call it their shower because you can lower it to their height, which is great. We got our extra storage, which has been phenomenal, and everything has been raised, so we're no longer hurting our backs, brushing our teeth and everything every day. So this has been a wonderful experience. I would highly recommend this company to anyone who wants to do a kitchen or bathroom model. We definitely have our wish list of things we'd like to do to this house in the future, and we would definitely work again with NV Kitchen and Bath.